Doing it again with this vegan cheese, Dr. Sebi approved. All right, we want to set it on a low heat. 2½ cup of garbanzo bean flour. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Whisk that stuff together, nice and blended. Oh yeah. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed together. You got 1 squeeze lime juice, baby, 1 squeeze lime. Okay, we got 3½ cups of spring water. Mix it in, gradually mix it in as you go. Don't put it all in at one, little bit at a time, so you can get that consistency, just a little bit at a time, and continually stir to get the lumps out of it, baby. Beat those lumps out, baby. Like I said, gradually add the water in there under a low heat. Don't forget, keep it on a low heat, low as possible, because we're trying to get it mixed. There we go, nice and blended, beating those lumps out. Add a little more water in there, a little more spring water in there on a low heat. Vegan cheese, alkaline vegan cheese, baby, on the Dr. Sebi tip. Say cheese, baby. All right, we got the consistent that we want. That's the kind of consistent that we want. Once we get it all mixed in and it's starting to stiffen up, gonna put it in the spring pan, nice and even. Spring pan it out. That's the consistency you want right there. That's why you put it on a low heat and just keep stirring until you get all them lumps out of it, baby. Got it nice and even in there. Pack it down up in there real nice. Pack it down in there real nice. Smooth it out at the top, baby. Smooth it out at the top with a spatula, a spoon, or whatever you got. Okay, when it's all said and done, put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and take it out and let it sit for 30 minutes. And voila, cheese, please.